Hi friends! We are going to tell you about our hobbies.
Hi, my name is Leno. I love drawing. This is my hobby. Hi, my name is Lovo. I love playing football. This is my hobby. Hi, my name is Lolo. I love reading. This is my hobby. Hi, my name is Mezzo. I love dancing. This is my hobby. Hi, my name is Kiko. I love playing with puzzles. This is my hobby. Hi, my name is Dodo. I love gardening. This is my hobby. Hi, my name is Freya. I love cooking. This is my hobby. Hi, my name is Coco. I love singing. This is my hobby. Hi friends, what is your hobby? Tell us. Bye-bye friends.